if you could see that mountain behind me, but that's covered in snow up there. It looks really enticing. We're heading up. Today's adventure, we are heading up the Warner Creek Trail to the peak of Plateau Mountain, one of my absolute favorite mountains in the Catskills. It's early morning, it's late December, the weather has been terrible. The sun hasn't been out in 2 weeks, and I just need to get out into the woods to change the monotony. That's what we're dealing with. Whoa, very slick conditions. And it seems to be snowing. We're getting snow. So we're on the Warner Creek Trail. We're following yellow. We're gonna go yellow. Eventually we'll go blue. Then we'll hit up with red. You know what red means. We're on the Devil's Path. We're getting some snow here, which is nice, because at the lower elevations the last week or so, 2 weeks, it's just been rain. Beautiful. I totally needed this. Man, the weather was making me grumpy. Devil's Path 2.9 to the left. The Warner Creek Trail will keep going to Tremper, and that'll be that way. You get the long path heading that way, and that long path will take you from New York City to Albany. See how beautiful this is right now. It's wet, it's not too bad. Here we're at. We're going to the Devil's Path 2.9. We're heading that way. We're going blue, yellow to blue. Man, it's like we're in winter all of a sudden. Look at this. Sweet. You don't get away. 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 Cool. You don't get away. You don't get away. You don't get away so easily. You don't get away. 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 Mirror, mirror, still pretty yet. Do I puzzle the complex? Just dance with a money. It's been snowing throughout, which is nice. Soft little flakes falling. The ground is warm, so the snow's a little bit clumpy. You can tell. I have no spikes on, but I did bring them. It's been peaceful. Slippery rockage, but not bad at all. It's warmer out, but I don't want to break. Whoa! I don't want to break a bone or a sweat. So I've been keeping the pace pretty steady, trying not to push it to get a sweat. Ooh, get a spot. We're up there. Hopefully something breaks and we'll get a view over by Danny's Lookout. But whatever. This is a nice enough view for me, walking in the snow. What a pretty part of Catskills. Make our way back uphill, and we're on this nice part of the ridge once again. There's actually sky around us. That's sky. And there would be sky there too, but can't see anything. The abyss. All right, keep moving. We don't need any water, but if we did, we got a spring right here, right at 3,500 foot. Last big push we got before we make it to the Devil's Path. And once we make it to the path, we're gonna hang a right and go east to get the peak of Plateau Mountain. Can't wait for breakfast. Plateau summit, 0.5 miles. We're gonna hit that. So once you're on the peak of Plateau, on top, it's nice because it's a giant plateau. It's very continuously flat. However, getting on top of Plateau is a pain in the butt. But the Warner Creek Trail is probably the least strenuous way to get up here, I think. Hanging a left here. If you're wondering what the top of Plateau Mountain in the Catskills looks like, here she blows. Keep going that way and that will take you down to Sugarloaf Mountain. We're gonna head back, catch a few views, hopefully. Our trail intersection. And we came from down here, Warner Creek. That's the trail we came, which is part of the long path. We're taking the Devil's Path back to Notch Lake. 2.3 miles. Let's do it. Then we're gonna do some road mileage, which will be fun. Walk on the road. All right, we're getting close to being done with the whole plateau, top of Plateau Mountain. We'll soon be approaching Orchard Point, which is a sick view if we get one. However, there's a giant rock we'll sit on. Chill out there. The decline that we are about to hit is one of the steepest in the Catskill Mountains. When we start it, it will be about, I think it's like a mile. A little less than a mile, 0.8 of a mile or something. But it's just kind of straight down. And it's a quicker way to get down. But then we'll hit 214, and then we're gonna walk the road for like 2 miles. Oh, cool. Nice, we're gonna get a view. Good. Ah, oh, nice. Here we are at Danny's Lookout. I don't want to get too crazy, but I'm starting to see something. Cool. When we get to Orchard Point, which is right up here, hopefully the clouds open up, because that is a stunning view which looks back at Slide Mountain and Cornell and Wittenberg. So hopefully we get one. Either way, we're gonna have an epic decline of this mountain. Orchard Point, up by Plateau Mountain. Hang out here for a bit. Seems like things are opening up. It looks beautiful. The trees down there are just covered in snow, if you can see that. All right, we're gonna start our crazy decline. Spikes are on. All right, that's where we're going. We're going down there. Oh my God, I see some blue sky the first time in 2 weeks. Look at that. It worked. Go hiking in the sun. Well, let's not get crazy about the sun. But we got blue. Look at that. It might be sun right there. Haven't seen the sun in 2 weeks. Holy moly, there's something bright up there. Makes me feel better already. The brightness. This mountain's like, dude, I'm not done with you. I'm about to put you through some quadzilla torture. This is where your quads hurt. Walking downhill. Literally walking down the side of a mountain. Pretty epic. Epic trail. Plateau Mountain. Look at this. Against the present tense. I hear cars. We're getting close. Got my gaiters. Pants are soaked. Whatever, who cares? All the roads as you move past. Here we are back into the world of rain and wetness. Yesterday your arms were wide. Now by very cool. To the pistols at your side, mercy me. Night comes on. We're right in the middle of these high peaks. It's a pretty sweet spot right here. It's kind of snowing, raining. There's a waterfall sound. There's leaves on the ground, but there's snow on the trees. Look at this. Born to lose and born to win. All the hours not done, but we're almost out of the woods, as they say. Pile now for the wind to scatter. We're out of the woods. We're on the road. We're on 214, where trucks go by about probably 200 miles per hour. So yeah, we got to stay alert here, probably more than we do in the woods. We're going to be walking by the Devil's Tombstone Campground, coming up on the left. Night comes on, all call on. Here you're haunted. We're getting there. Oh, tangled up in dreams. Oh, tangled up. There she blows. We found the truck. And look, no snow. Is that amazing? No snow.